Hello folks, I want to show off my old school, mid-school BMX collection. Got a couple different brands here, several different models. Most of these bikes have some minor upgrades or tweaks or customizations. Not looking for 100% original correct stuff. That's way too expensive. So we'll start you off with the 1983 Schwinn Predator. This one's got the gusset in the frame, so it's kind of more of a consumer model than a race model. Real lightweight. I've upgraded it, put the Predator Atari neck on it. It's got Dyno 3-piece cranks that I polished. Obviously the tires are new, the seat's new. I didn't pick this color scheme, that's kind of how it came. I don't hate it, so we're going with it. Kind of the red, chrome, and blue. Other than that, this bike is a pretty nice rider. I'm a tall guy, so I put the laid-back seat post and the double clamps so I didn't crack the frame. Just a nice condition, early 80s example. This one is a 1997 Dino NSX. This was kind of their entry-level model. I don't even believe it was chromoly. I think it was high 10. Still a nice rider. These aren't going off jumps and stuff, so I thought it was kind of neat. The spoke nuts were all kind of colors matching the decals. Somebody did paint the neck and the sprocket hub. I don't know what you call this, like a two-piece crank or something. Do want to find a different seat to kind of match the rest of the colors, but haven't decided on that one yet. Maybe something to match the grips. Next we got a Schwinn Pro Stock 2. This has a whole pile of SX parts on, which was Schwinn's racing upgrades. Seat clamps, seat post, hubs, 3-piece cranks. The neck here, it's got the Schwinn grips on it. I don't believe these are original tires, but they are Schwinn branded tires. Kind of a neat tread. Technico brakes. I believe this is the original seat. Not comfortable at all, but that's what came on the bike. This one's a pretty nice example. It's aluminum with a clear coat on it, so there's scratches in the clear coat, but no corrosion on the aluminum. Next, we got ourselves a 1998 GT Pro Series. So this was the steel frame version of the Power Series. Got the GT sprocket, cranks, hubs, back tires not original, front is. Got the GT round neck, seat post. These are HL bars, which HL made bars for a lot of different companies. Actually, the knee saver style on the GTs are made by HL. If you look under the grips, they are kind of a lower rise. They're neat looking with the gussets and everything, so that's why I got them nice and wide. But they are kind of a lower rise, so better for shorter people. And then to round things out, the 1999 GT Power Series. This bike was pretty rough when I got it. Had been neglected. It cleaned up pretty good. All the chrome looks good. Still got to go through and clean the wheels, the hubs. The seat post is kind of messed up. Obviously not the original seat, but it's a nice rider. One you just hop on, don't really give a crap about. Put a scratch in it, so be it. These were aluminum frames. Again, the white bike is a steel chromoly. These are aluminum. Kind of neat hubs. The previous generation didn't have those machined areas on them, so I'll walk you across the front here and the back, so you kind of see the difference in the handlebars and the heights. You know, again, none of these bikes are like showroom condition, 100% correct. They're all riders. We ride them around town. We're not doing racing and tricks and stunts and stuff on them, so perfectly fine for what we're doing. Let me know if you got any questions or have stories about bikes you had as a kid. If you recognize any of these from your childhood, put some comments down there. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the bikes or need to correct any of the information. Again, I'm no expert, so sounds good. Make sure to subscribe for more BMX content.